Water is becoming an increasingly important commodity in our society. Water is also one of the biggest problems faced by plant operators in the aggregate industry. Either there isn't enough of it, or it's too dirty to reuse quickly. Plant water is often diverted into settling ponds. Ponds pose several problems: loss from evaporation, ground percolation, high annual maintenance costs. Ponds cover up valuable deposit areas. Higher levels of suspended material means more pond area, and the use of flocculant in pond systems is not effective and can be expensive. In addition, as pond water levels fluctuate, so does the GPM reaching your wet plant, which can result in inconsistent plant output. But AZFAB has a solution. Plants throughout the West solve their water problems with the installation of an AZFAB high-rate thickener. This state-of-the-art water reclamation system is a key addition to any plant. Here's how it works. Flocculant is introduced to the water that exits your wet plant. It's important that your effluent be at the correct engineered slurry dilution. The chemistry helps to coagulate suspended particles with the correct amount of flocculant, which is an adiotic polymer. The stream then enters a large self-supporting steel thickener tank. Tanks range in size from 25 to 80 feet in diameter and are typically 16 feet tall. Inside the tank, a system of powered rakes pull the suspended material to the center. The solids are forced to an underflow cone and then pumped at a 30 to 45% density away from the plant. The solids can be disposed of immediately or can be further processed. One of the processing options is a built filter press or series of presses, which can totally eliminate the need for pond storage. The clarified water overflows weirs, which ring the tank, and is then either gravity fed to your existing freshwater pond or to an AZFAB freshwater tank. Typically, these systems have a throughput of 2,000 to 6,500 gallons per minute of clean, immediately reusable clarified water. What is even more remarkable is the recovery rate. Between 90 and 92% of the water from your wet plant comes out clean and ready for immediate reuse. The typical recycle time is 38 minutes from dirty to clean. The AZFAB high-rate thickener can significantly reduce the size of your settling ponds or eliminate them altogether with minimal power consumption and chemical costs. The AZFAB high-rate thickener system is one of the best investments you'll ever make. Wash water goes from this to this in under an hour. Its low maintenance and low operating costs make it an ideal replacement for any existing pond system. And for new installations, it's a perfect fit for both the environment and your bottom line. AZFAB does have the answer to your water problems.